Hello and welcome to the video. So for the past week I've been suffering what can only be described as a serious case of man flu. However, I'm fully recovered now, and Loretta said as it's my birthday next week she's going to take me out for a day round Ikea. That's a joke, nobody actually likes Ikea. So you may or may not know this, but Ikea is well known for its vegan range. They've got hot dogs, meatballs, even some desserts. We thought while we're there we might as well try the entire vegan menu range. You're going to do a thing there. That's better. We'll see you there. Okay, so we're nearly at Ikea. Well, not really, we've forgotten something and have to head back, but I thought it'd be fun to share some fun facts about Ikea before we get there. Ikea is actually an acronym. Owner of Ikea is Ingvar Kamprad, who grew up on...
Sorry, Swedes.
Ingvar Kamprad, who grew up on Elmtard, and his home village was Agnunjard. So Kamprad is actually dyslexic, so all the Ikea furniture is named after Swedish names.
What's that got to do with dyslexia?
It made it easier for him to identify them.
Instead of what?
I don't know, that's what it says on this fun fact here. Curtains are given mathematical geometrical terms, and bathroom products are named after lakes, rivers and bays. Ikea prides itself on being affordable, so when they design their products they actually work backwards. Say they're going to build a bed, they work out what is a reasonable price for a bed, come up with that price, make the bed so it is that price.
Oh, that's cool.
Every 1 in 10 person is conceived on an Ikea bed.
No way.
Yeah.
I don't know if I believe that.
It's in the internet, so...
I know, but that doesn't mean it's true.
It is true.
Okay, so we finally got our food.
We've got every vegan option possible. So
We did get fries.
veggie balls with grains, spinach and broccoli, plant balls with pasta and marinara sauce, and vegan chocolate cake. Yeah, try it.
Very nice. The guy wasn't very sure what was vegan and what wasn't, so if you are vegan and you find out that something like this wasn't vegan, don't have a go at us.
We haven't really done much reviewing. I rate all of the food, to be honest, for the price.
Yeah, to be honest, it's like getting food at a supermarket, it's so cheap. But it feels a bit healthy. I don't know if it is, it feels like a bit better than that.
So the Ikea restaurant started when Igudvan Krabut, what his name was, realised that a lot of his customers were leaving because they were still hungry while shopping. So he built the restaurant back in 1960 something. Where the restaurant started, because he noticed that people were leaving because they were too hungry to buy anything. It was quite a good selling point, isn't it? Because shopping for furniture is boring. But then when you're like,
Obviously
you can get food.
Yeah.
But that's the only reason I'd ever go to Ikea is because of food.
But I think a lot of people would like to come anyway.
Everyone comes for the food, 100%.
I'll let you have the curl on the top.
Really? Why?
It's on camera, I want people to think it's nice.
I thought you were spooning it before.
I like it, I think it's a good job they put the raspberry in because
What? That's like the nicest part.
I know.
Oh yeah, okay, this is what we're talking about.
It was still blurry.
Honestly, I'm not normally a cake guy. That's like a 10 out of 10 for me.
It doesn't taste like a vegan cake.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
No offense, vegan cake makes it. And it was just us guys.
So that's the meal done. Now we've got hopefully some hot dogs and ice cream to finish the day off. Probably walk around Ikea first, shall we?
Yeah, because I'm stuffed really. Gotta love Ikea. You like my hat?
Pathetic for a dog though, isn't it?
It's 60p. Veggie dog. So I reckon this is like the veggie board with corn, pepper, carrot, kale and something else.
Oh, nice. Getting your veggies in.
Just veggies, and then we've got the...
And these, we never even heard of these before.
Bloody talking.
You'd finished. Checklist strips. But she's going in.
And we should do it at the same time.
Oh, should we? What's the...
Lady and the Tramp.
You'll find... Okay, let's go for it.
I'm real proud about it.
There's a car right opposite us. Don't be scared.
Sorry, I've got a bite.
I'd say very mediocre with the dog.
Yeah, I'd say.
But as Loretta did say, it's 60p, so...
Yeah, a 4. These are $1.50 for free.
These look whopping, don't they?
But it might be oats in it. They taste oaty to me.
Oatmeal?
Not just. They're going to make 50% of their restaurant meals vegan by 2025.
Strips, I'd give a solid 7 out of 10. It could be crispier. And the dog, I think, it's a poor show, the dog, in my opinion.
3. I feel like I need to show you something. This is sad. Sad dog.
Sad state of affairs, isn't it? Probably going to have to eat the sausage, aren't I?
Yeah. It's been fun though so far. That was only £2 something. And then the ice cream's only 50p.
Right, so we're going to go back in for one last little jaunt and try the ice cream. Okay, so we're back and it's just like McDonald's. They don't have any of the soft serve vegan ice cream.
He said 9 times out of 10 your expectations won't be met at Ikea.
But we got these instead.
Oat biscuits, sugar free. I imagine they're just going to be like hobnobs.
Right, we're going for it. Cheers.
Oh.
Oh, nice texture.
Coconut as well.
I like them, yeah.
I wasn't expecting that.
I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, and actually I think they'd be even nicer in a cup of tea.
So that's eating all the vegan items at Ikea. Well, all the vegan items we could get our hands off. Pretty good day all round. I give it an overall 7 out of 10.
Yeah, 7, which isn't bad to say we spent.
It's a furniture shop.
It's a furniture shop. We didn't even spend 20 quid between us, and
we spent £16 on all the food. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. We're off to a car park now. We'll see you guys in the next one.
I think this is hi in Swedish. Hi.
Hello and welcome to the
Video. Finish each other's
sandwiches.